do we all not know that our brain wants comfort and it will find comfort no matter what? But from the time of high school, we all teached by our teachers that brain is made for survival, and if it doesn't work for the survival purpose, it's like a piece of junk. And if we give it comfort, it will adapt like that way, and if we try new things, it will be always discomfortable, and it will always use the surviving skill or surviving function of the brain, and which will really give us real dopamine, real happiness. And the brain always wants comfort because we made it like that. We made comfort is the first and the most priority for our brain, and we made a sentence or a direct affirmation that brain needs comforts बोल रहा हूँ, brain need comfort, and if it gets comfort, we will feel good, we will feel happy, we will feel be at peace. But it's the opposite, because if we give our brains only peace, only comfort, only this type of low dopamine things, it will become a piece of junk, a piece of meat with no nutrition value, no nothing, no protein. It's like that. And let me give you an example why we want the survival functioning of the brain, not the comfort functioning of the brain. So we all know that our body uses 40 to 50% of our total body's energy, and the total body energy is 100%. ठीक है, we all know that 40 to 50% यूज़ करता है हमारी बॉडी एनर्जी, एंड the leftover मतलब 60 to 50-40% is stored in our body by the brain, in the that is used, and that will be used in the times of difficulty or chaotic times. And imagine that you are working out at the gym and you think that you are totally exhausted, you work out so hard, and you think you have used the 100% energy of your body, but you have not. Let me tell you again that you have not used your 100% of your body's energy, and you just used 40 to 50% of the energy. And that one thing, if you knew that we only use that 40 to 50% of your energy, you will then focus more, put efforts more to the point where our brain starts functioning in its survival mode, and it will use more energy, like 60, 70%, 80%, 90%, but 100% is never used. And if in case of chaotic times or destruction, it uses 100%, or after that 100% our body becomes totally restless, we feel like we can't move an inch. And if you think that you use your 100% of your energy, you are lying to yourself, you are lying to every person that you are telling them that you use 100% of your energy, you are lying yourself. And this one thing, that our brain always needs comfort, but it should be uncomfortable, it should be in its survival mode all the times, and that will give us real dopamine, that will give us real purpose, and that will make us feel like we are doing something. Cause at the end of the day, if we don't put the efforts right, we don't put the efforts fully, we never will be successful and never will be there at the point we want ourselves to be. We will never go to Bali, because I know that a lot of you guys who are watching me, who are on self-improvement journey, they all, and I also want to go to Bali and work out there, eat steak only, carving yours diet and enjoy the view, enjoy the brotherhood there, and walk out till your ass is totally exhausted. And that's the whole video. So don't give your brain comfort, make it use the survival functioning of the brain, that is uncomfortability according to your brain, because you taught your brain that brain needs comfort, but it's the opposite. Brain needs survival mode, brain needs uncomfortability to reach the potential you want to be, to reach the destination you want to be there. And that's the whole video. Baki, I believe in yourself, I believe in myself, I believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Baki with the next video.